In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the color of an element in Canva. I already inserted the same image to the Canva, and I will show you quickly how can we do it, and I will also show you why is it not working with all the elements, all the colors, but you will see it soon. So first we just click on the image, and first we have the main colors of the image. I click on this, and now I just need to play around changing the color how I want. So we would have a different color, just moving, and we can change the tones also to green, a bit more bluish, or just a bit goldish, as you can see. That's pretty nice now. And what is the problem? I will scrolling down to this image, and you will see immediately. So if I would have to change this red dress, I just need to select image, select this red color. As now you can see immediately all the colors which has this red are affected. So even the hair, or for especially with the red, the skin tone is also changing because the skin also has some red components, and it's moving to the different directions. So this is why is it not really working with a red color, and or we have more elements in an image with a similar colors. This could be difficult. And actually, how I made this, the two color clothes, that's very easy. I'm just going to the uploads again, and then adding the same image again. So I added the image to the Canva again, just positioning similar as the original one, and we just need to crop the image. And how easy to do it. So that's pretty easy technique. Pro is not required for it. As you can see, that's pretty straightforward. You can change lots of elements easily in a Canva, with some limitations, as I already mentioned, with a red, pink, might be it's a bit brownish. So that's not working always, but most of the cases you can use it. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit a small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section. Please also check the description where you can find the links for my TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook pages. Plus you can find a link for my Buy Me a Coffee page where you can support me even with the smallest amount. Everything is highly appreciated. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.